Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about taking various kinds of input from the user, and one of them is like taking the email address. Then we'll talk about file uploading and source code inputs. So let's get started with that. I have kept the editor ready, and let's start typing in the program. And when we get the output, we'll get to know at what level it goes, and how the output looks like. So after HTML I have the body, then I'm just giving it a heading, email input. Then then I'm just going straight away to the paragraph or to the form page. And then so this is the action page. Obviously this would take in the input and give the output, but this is something that does the backend processing, which we'll do it later on. But we can continue with the we're taking the email input, and email input should have at the rate sign then a dot com. So we'll say that enter email id, and then we'll say label, then another one is yeah, take the input, type is equals to email id equals to email, then name equals to email, then next one is the submit button, input type equals to submit, value is equals to submit as well. Then close the form, and close the HTML. Copy the entire thing, take it to your emulator, run it. Let me just zoom in to the highest level. So you can see that the hmm, email input is there, the box is there, and as soon as I click on it, there's a small list of emails displayed. So let me just go ahead and try to type something without any at the rate, and then it says it has to have a at the rate sign for an email address. So let me just say at the rate Gmail, and then click on submit. So as soon as I click on submit, it's giving me the output as that whatever the rough thing I typed and at the rate Gmail. And various other parameters can be added as well, whether you want a .com and all that. Yeah, but that's for the email part. And then the next one that I want to discuss, and we'll create a program is taking a file input. So um, let me just change it to file input. Form action, the action page remains the same. Then its label is m file, and let me just say upload file, and then next is input type. Let's change email to file, and then change the id to file as well. Change the id to m file, and then change the name to m file as well. Then just give two breaks, and then just copy the entire thing, then just go ahead and paste it, click on run. So you can see that that the next input that kind of I am getting is for a file, and it says choose file. So let me just go ahead and pick a file and then submit it. Yeah, so I just choose one file and click on open, and then you can see that this file name is also showing as HTML classes, and this PNG thing is there. So let me just go ahead and click on submit. As soon as I click on submit, the submit form data uses, this is what I have, this is what I have submitted. So that's how you do it. And okay, and that's it for this video. Maybe in the next video we'll talk more about having a source code input, but according to the video size, that's it.